Hey, Kevin Rory here. I'm the broker and owner of Exit Vanguard Realty in Odenton, Maryland. So I'm here today to just give you a briefing of how our new Exit Vanguard Project Agents program works. All right, so I'm going to briefly go over how our program is structured. All right, as you see here, we break down our support in three categories: strategy and goals, project budget, as well as the business and transaction support. As you see in our strategies and goals category, we will be providing support by helping our investor clients define the purpose of their real estate project. We will conduct market analysis at a hyper-local level to really understand the competition, the comparatives, and the after repair value, along with the cost value for projects that they're going after. We will look at it and we will create a feasibility study to determine whether or not this is actually a feasible goal, if it's something that we recommend that our investor clients go after. And we will look at the risk and the constraints involved and help manage and facilitate the risk throughout the project. But we will create a risk plan at the initiation stage so that our clients will have an idea of what some of the challenges they could be facing, how they present themselves. Next, project budget, which is always a very important part. Because look, investors, business people, we're in this to make money, and a proper budget is how you do so. We will create a scope, which is a detailed line by line transaction list of what needs to be accomplished in order to achieve the purpose. We will help with cost estimations. We know the market. We know the contractors out there that are going to provide the repair work. Primarily, we deal with fix and flip clients, as well as clients that want to buy and rent out properties, whether that's small commercial properties or whether that's residential. We found that right now, most of our clients are interested in purchasing homes and turning them into rental properties or running businesses out of those homes. We will help manage and track the expenses to keep our clients on budget. We will coordinate the schedules for all type of repairs and the milestones and expectations of when things and tasks are supposed to be accomplished. And we will conduct the return on investment analysis. Now, as you see, our final category is the business and transaction category. In this category, we will help our clients if they need by providing advice of the best type of business structure, whether it's a joint venture or a multi-member LLC, or if it's a sole proprietor for one person doing the project themselves. We will evaluate that and give our business advice. Day-to-day operation support. We will be on site to work with the contractors to make sure that this project is moving along. Oftentimes our clients have full-time jobs, or they may even be living, in a different area. So we have to be on site to manage the operations. We also will support with in the business structure, we will support how each task is divvied up and who is responsible for what. And we will, in our day-to-day operation support, we will work with the appropriate team members. Accounting and tax referrals, we're not accountants. However, we have connections, professional network connections, where we can refer you to the people that we use, whether that's contractors, whether that's accountants, whether that's home inspectors. We will refer you to the list that we have, or we will help you select, someone that may not be on our list. It doesn't matter to us. We're just here to help you. Reporting. We want to make sure that you are provided with enough information and all the information that you need throughout the project. And so you will be receiving reports throughout the project on the status and how everything is going. Finally, negotiation and settlements. We will help in any acquisition, any purchase deal, or any disposition where an investor may be trying to sell a property. We will help in the negotiation to get the best deal for and the best terms for our clients, and we will walk you through the settlement process. I know people like free things, so we understand that. Well, just by being interested in becoming our client, we will be happy to conduct an initial questionnaire, one free consultation that will discuss the answers to the questionnaire. I have a pretty detailed questionnaire that will probably cause an investor to think and focus on their overall purpose and strategy and goals. The questionnaire is broken out to help in that capacity so that when we conduct the consultation, me in particular, I'll be able to visualize where we're going and what the purpose is for the business. We will also conduct one free project charter, which is basically a summary of what you're trying to accomplish based on the questionnaire, based on our consultation, and some expectations of what I see, schedules, timelines from a high level of how I see this project going. So even if you don't sign with us to be a client, you will receive this free just by consulting and having the meeting with us. So, hey, how good is that? If we do align, the meeting go well, and you want to move forward to become a client here, we just ask, number one, that you be committed to achievement. This is not a look and see, and this is, no, I'm ready. I may be nervous or I may be experienced, but I'm ready to do my next project or my first project, and I'm committed to it. That's the first step. Once we have that commitment, that's a good sign that we are aligned. After we make that determination, you will sign a brokerage agreement. I'm the broker, so you will be signing an agreement with me, and I will either be working with you personally, or I will assign one of my project agents who are experienced in corporate project management and licensed real estate professionals to take on the task of your project. I will be involved heavily in the communication throughout. Clients must also pay a retainer fee. We don't work for free. So if you're going to be committed to achievement and you want to work with us, there will be a required retainer fee based on the complexity, the longevity, and the involvement of this project. Most projects, especially at a residential level, are pretty, I won't say cookie cutter, but I will say that they have a comparative structure, a similar structure. So we have those fees already aligned. There also will be partial payments throughout. Now, unfortunately, the way the business works, especially in residential real estate investing, there is a high percentage of investors that determine that they want to back out of a deal, even if it's a good deal, prior to its conclusion. Well, we as project managers and as real estate agents, we don't work for free. So if we're going to commit to doing this level of support for you and your project, we expect to be paid out throughout the project. Now, in our charter, in our once we have our agreement, it will be hashed out what needs to be accomplished and when for us to expect payments and the amount of payments. Okay. And again, commitment to achievement is the key. So I hope I broke this down in a very easy way, so that you'll understand what's involved in a real estate project, along with the level of support that my project agents are willing to provide. Now, if this level of service is of interest to you, then please contact us immediately. We look forward to working with you and getting onto some projects, and we most importantly look forward to you achieving your goals. We can be reached at info@exitvanguard.com. My name again is Kevin Rory. I'm the broker and owner of Exit Vanguard Realty in Maryland. If you found value in this and you're watching this on social media, please like the content. Please subscribe to the channel. And again, please contact me at info@exitvanguard.com. I look forward to speaking with you. And till the next time, peace.